The dilly up for table 6.
What are we gonna make first?
We can make the dough. Water, flour, yeast,
Olive oil?
salt, the big old hood.
This used to anchor a ship.
This does not look like pizza dough making.
Let that go for about 10 to 15 minutes. We typically ball it right after we mix it, put it in the fridge and let it grow overnight.
What do we do next?
Now we're gonna make the sweet Italian sausage.
Garlic, thyme, oregano, paprika, brown sugar,
Wing of bat.
fennel, onion powder, red pepper, basil, parsley, black pepper.
Where's the dill?
Oh, that comes later.
Oh.
Salt.
And red wine vinegar.
So we mix that up into this pork.
And then we put it in the fridge overnight.
Now we're gonna make our dilly drizzle. It starts with the ranch base.
So we have mayonnaise, sour cream,
Got it.
parsley, onion powder, salt, thyme,
Dill.
water, chives, granulated garlic, black pepper.
And that's our ranch. To make it the dilly drizzle, we'll add
Red pepper,
parsley,
Parmesan, garlic,
And a little olive oil. What's next?
roasted garlic white sauce,
So we got roasted garlic.
some butter,
cream, Parmesan, black pepper.
Cook that down, make it a nice paste. Let's see it, Chef.
First, we stretch the dough.
Look how nice and light and tender that is.
The white sauce,
Spackle.
mozzarella.
This is where things go off the rails right here, folks. Whoa, you're going pickle happiness.
We do a lot of pickles on the dilly dilly.
And just a little sausage. Very nice. Let's go cook it. In the oven, how long?
90 seconds to 2 minutes.
The type of wood?
Birch. And then we have our dilly drizzle.
Schnizzle with the drizzle. It's delicious. I like biting into it and getting the pickle crunch. I like the fresh acidity contrasting to the creaminess of the base spread, and then you get the crumble from the sausage. That's a destination pizza.
Thank you.
Congrats.